In this class, we will extend our discussion of application of LCM with the help of this example. First, let's read this example. A number which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 leaves a common remainder 3 in each case. Find such numbers with the following condition. The condition A is the smallest number, condition B is the second smallest number, and condition C is the smallest 3-digit number. So we have seen in the 3 classes of application of LCM, 3 previous classes, that if we have to find out a number which is completely divisible by 6 and 9 and 12, then it can be found with the help of getting the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. So if we find the LCM of 6, 9 and 12, then that LCM and the multiple of those LCMs will be consisting of all such numbers which will be fully divisible by 6, 9 and 12. But here another thing is given, that is, if the number is divisible by 6, 9 and 12, it leaves a common remainder 3 in each case. So for solving such type of question, we will start from the same thing. That first thing, that we will find the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. So to find out LCM, first express the numbers in terms of prime factorization. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 9 can be written as 3 square, 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. So the LCM of 6, 9 and 12 will be 2 square into 3 square, that is 36. So 36 is the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. So 36 is the smallest number which is completely divisible by 6, 9 and 12. So in case we want to find a number which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 leaves a common remainder 3, then what we will do, since 36 is completely divisible by 6, 9 and 12, so if you have to get a remainder of 3, then just add 3 in 36. So we can also write it in other words, that all the numbers which when divided by A, B and C leaves a common remainder X in each case will be multiple of LCM of A, B and C plus X. We can generalize this result in this manner, that all the numbers which when divided by A, B and C leaves a common remainder X in each case will be K times LCM of ABC, that is multiple of the LCM plus the common remainder, that is X. So we have been seen here that 36 is the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. So all the numbers, for this example, all the numbers which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 leaves a common remainder 3 in each case is equal to K times LCM of 6, 9 and 12, that is 36 plus 3. So all the required number with the conditions A, B and C can be get from this only. So let's approach it one by one. In question number A, we have to find the smallest number which when divided by 612 leaves a common remainder 3 in each case. So for getting the smallest number, we will put the value of k as 1. So the smallest number is 36 plus 3, that is 39. 39 is the smallest number which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 will leave a common remainder 3 in each case. For the question number B, the second smallest number, that means the number bigger than this 39. For second smallest number, obviously we will put the value of k as 2. So that will be 2 times 36 plus 3, that is 36 2 just 72 plus 3, that is 75. So 75 is the second smallest number with this condition. In case we have to get any more bigger number, we will keep on putting the value of k and we'll getting the numbers. Let's take the question number C. Smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. So which one is the smallest 3-digit number without any condition? That is 100. 100 is the first smallest number, okay, without any condition. So we are basically here trying to find out k times 36 plus 3, and this has to be very closer to 100. It has to be greater than or equal to 100, and with this equation we have to actually get the value of k. Since 100 is the smallest, for 100 we can get the value of k just by guessing it, because 36 2 ja we have seen here 72, 36 3 ja is 108, 36 4 ja will be greater than 108. So if we put the value of k as 3, so we'll get the smallest 3-digit number, obviously the smallest 3-digit number with this condition is 108 plus 3, that is 111. So 111 is the smallest 3-digit number which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 will leave a common remainder 3 in each case. That is the answer. For a bigger number, I mean if the question has been like a smallest 4-digit number, so in that case we'll find the value of k with the help of this inequality, but here we have found out this. We will see more example in the next class.